Good morning, everyone. Today is a Tuesday, and today is a Wednesday, and I just finished up a project. So this week I have a lot of exciting things planned. Currently I'm having a little breakfast. This is Cleo, my new roommate. She is a tortoiseshell, and she's my new foster cat. She has 2 little socks. So I've been fostering on and off for about a year, and I foster for the Brooklyn Cat Cafe. They are a non-profit organization that works with a lot of TNRs that rescue cats every season. And I personally really like cats because I grew up having cats. There are a lot of cats like Cleo that needs help. I would really urge everyone who has the, means to foster a cat or adopt a cat instead of buying one from breeders overseas. And it's really, really, really fun to live with a cat. Hi everyone, this is my OOTD. This top is a gift from a friend of mine. His name is Jaden, and his brand is named after his name, Jaden. Please, I'll go check it out. And my skirt is from Edie's. My necklace, I forgot where this is from. And then this necklace, this is made by my friend Rito. It's called Wearable Sculpture by Rito. The bracelet is from Vivian, and this earring is also made by my friend Helen. And on this side, on my right ear, that is from Taobao. And my glasses are thrifted Dior. They literally do not fit my face. Like, I literally had to cut half of the handle down, so it's literally just sitting on my ear and on the tip of my nose. Or else, if I push it like this, it's gonna like smash my cheeks. All these glasses from early 2000s and the 90s are designed for like a Eurocentric face shape, and it does not fit Asian faces. Like, that's the truth. Like, I've said it. That's why it doesn't fit our faces, and it sucks. These glasses are so uncomfortable, but they're so cute. That's the fit. I'm actually running really, really late. I was supposed to meet Helen an hour ago, but I spent all my time looking this good. I look so cute. What happened to my... This is the makeup look for today. Very chic. I hope I don't get catcalled. Slay. I'm gonna wear these stomps. Also from Edie's. Literally, their fucking shoes are so well made and durable. And for my lips, I'm wearing this Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. It's called Blushed Gold. Like, literally one of my favorite lip gloss. It doesn't give you too much of like a color, but there's like shimmers inside, and it makes your lips look so juicy. This is Vivian gift, eBay, Taobao. This is Yue Qi Qi. I'm 3 hours late. Yeah, you are. What the fuck? Hi guys, we just went to MoMA design store, and there was nothing fun that we could get Rito. So right now we're going to Diesel, and then we're going to the Real to see if we can get something cute. But we're really hungry and we're really hot. So if Rito, you're watching this, appreciate us gift hunting for you. It's a really hot day. 6月13号
我们提前
什么6月13号？7月13号。
我们提前1个月在给他买礼物。
哦，他到底什么时候生日
23。
我跟妈咪来了。We're getting these shorts for him and a pair of red underwear.
不是本命年吧？今年什么年
I don't know. But he's legal. Is he legal yet?
You better wear this.
Hi guys. Oh, we got him some hot pants. Hot pants.
Hot pants for the hot booty birthday.
And the hot summer hot person. And I don't know how to like hold the camera. And I'm a film major. Can you imagine that? I'd be like, hey, half the video I look like this. I'm serious. And I'm filming on my phone because I'm too lazy. Hello everyone. We're at a restaurant called Bo Cafe. It's a Vietnamese restaurant. And we're gonna get some food because it's really hot, baby. We're eating on top of the subway.
Yeah, we are.
Slay.
New Yorker.
Slay. I get a lychee martini.
Yeah.
And a fresh veggie summer roll.
Oh, spicy.
Oh, can we get the spicy crispy chicken rice noodles? I just made Helen take photos of me for like literally 5 minutes and she was so unhappy.
It felt like an hour.
I'm sorry. I'm a Soho girly. You gotta meet my expectation. No guys, I'm kidding. Good. Just put it in water.
Really?
And put it in the fridge. This sauce is not that good.
The sauce is good.
Peanut. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, July 14th. Yesterday after I went home, I went to the gym for the first time in a long time. I feel really pumped right now. And today, I'm going to get a tattoo from my friend Christina. And she's super cool and I'm getting a flash from her. Before I leave, I have to eat some food. Because one thing you shouldn't do before getting a tattoo is go empty stomach. Your blood pressure will go down if you don't eat properly before your appointment. And that is something really dangerous because you don't want to faint during the appointment. Some leftovers, I have some hard-boiled eggs. And tonight, I am going to get Hotpot with some friends. Look at that. I'm running late. Hi guys. I just got my tattoo. Got the green plum tea with boba. It's too. I know, girl.
Oh my god! 我现在立马穿上。
Because you told me you want to show off your tattoos on your legs.
Yeah.
So we got you like a. 我们本来想跟你送一个红色的裤衩 Speedo， 结果只有 large 和 extra large， 我们就说你赶紧去练一下。
没那么大。Yes, thank you guys so much.
You better pull a fit with this shit.
Of course.
And it's just.
就是他真的，他可以做一些很多不必要的活，然后天天就然后 outdoor party。
他就是一个博主生活，现在 shameless。
一杯奶饭。
我以前还在合唱团里头唱过，我在那个什么
Oh my god!
Look at the moon, guys. It's so pretty. 得出来，拍得出来！我操！Oh my god, guys, come look at this shit, come look at this shit, come look at this shit.
啊，傻的。
哇，it's so big.
不行，你继续拍，我要在你后面拍。
哦，你可以拍到那个云呢。放大。